Hello everyone, I'm Frank, one of the Urbe and Builders Garden co-founder, and today it will be super quick. I will talk a little bit about Builders Garden. So, what is Builders Garden? It is basically a web3 product studio. This is our motto, building and launching products in a matter of weeks. So it's a product studio with speed and quality, let's say, as our key values. Other than, of course, full stack development in the sense that we want to cover and we cover all the, let's say, development processes, so from back-end to front-end design, smart contract, and so on. The thing that I want to talk about today is how Builders Garden and Urbe.eth are connected, really. Because we decided to start basically Builders Garden in late 2023, after the first edition of Rome, because after Rome, we saw that the community was growing more and more. We were able to aggregate more people, more developers, closer to Urbe, closer to us. And so we decided to create this product studio to basically aggregate these builders together, to build together, basically, and to ship products, let's say. One other thing that is very, very important, so Limone talked this morning about our trip, so hackathons, delegation, and so on. And this is a key element on Builders Garden history, because we started our group of builders basically to work together worldwide. And it was really, basically, we didn't think about it very much, but it was fundamental because hackathons was in some way our marketing channel, let's say, because we were in these hackathons together. Sometimes we won hackathons. We engaged with sponsor, other builders, and so on. And so, why is a marketing channel? Because other people started to know us, and after maybe some weeks, some months, we started to work with them to maybe build a POC, an MVP, or whatever. So hackathons, Urbe delegation, and in particular hackathons, were very, very important for us in Builders Garden too. So what is the focus, our focus in Builders Garden? So especially for this year. We have basically three areas. The first one is mini apps. So right now we are focused on Farcaster frames, but also we want to explore other mini apps ecosystem, because we feel like this kind of platform can give us an easier distribution, and for us, we are very focused on consumer product. So an easier distribution is fundamental because, you know, for example, on Farcaster, there are already users on Farcaster. So when you launch a new mini apps, you can leverage that existing user base. And also, of course, you have social features and so on, but the distribution and the presence of users is the key point. Of course, we like and we want to develop also app, so not only mini apps, but full web app. And we like and we do a lot of R&D internally. And also, we do R&D with external companies. Yeah, we worked with a lot of companies in the last 1 year and a half, Akasha, XMTP, Dynamics, Usalu, and Dreamets, Airstack, and many more. So thank you. Now I want to show you very quickly 2 examples of the things that we are developing. So the first one is Farville. So Farville is a mini app on Farcaster. It's a game that is, of course, inspired by... Oh, sorry. Okay. That is, of course, inspired by Farmville, the Facebook game. And we added, let's say, a social feature in the game. So, for example, people can ask for crops, for seeds, and whatever. So the game is super easy and intuitive, let's say. So you can, for example, plant some seeds, and then you can harvest crops. You have, for example, some quests. I can claim my, yeah. That's great. I can buy something on the market and so on. So let's say an easy to play game, but empowered by the social aspect. Another example, and I want to show you in this case an hackathon project, because I said before, hackathon were and are very important for us. Let's mute Lemon, please. 1.5. Okay, so this, for example, is an hackathon project called Ghost that we developed 1 year ago, really. And it is basically consumer, an easy-to-use mobile wallet. So you can create your account with your email, and then you can receive different tokens, and the tokens are automatically, for example, in this case, swapped to GHO, that is the Aave stablecoin. So the user only has to use one single token, because automatically the other tokens are converted. And then we added also some, for example, this is a payment, so you can search for a username, so no 0x address, let's say. You can pay someone, you can receive payments, of course, and then we added some DeFi feature. So, for example, within the app, let's keep a little bit. Yeah, here. Okay, here, for example, within the app, we added 2 features. The first one is the Aave lending. So within the mobile app, you can automatically deposit your GHO converted to USDC in the Aave pool. Or, for example, we create a GHO vault. So you can deposit your token, and then those tokens are used to provide liquidity, for example, in Uniswap, if I remember correctly, in this case. So it was just an example, but the thing that I want to explain is that we are, in Builders Garden in general, we are very focused on consumer-faced products. Who we are? So we are growing. So here you can see all our profile picture. So Orbulo, Drone, Limone, Caso, Biancotto, Mide, Stepome, Flurry, Frank, Black Icon, and so on. Great team. Thank you.